Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off screenshot sound in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. While taking a screenshot in your phone, there will be a small sound. See here, listen here. Hope you hear the sound. If you want to turn off the sound, you can do it. Just go to the notification area and go to settings and click on sound and vibration and go to haptics and tones and turn off this button, screenshot sound. Just turn off this button and you will not get the sound now while taking screenshot. Listen here. Sorry, this is locking. No, you have to press side key and volume down key together to take a screenshot. There is no sound like before. When you turn on this button, then only you will have this sound while taking a screenshot. So in this way, you can easily control screenshot sound in your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.